how to translate any image text instantly. So hello guys, if you want to translate any image text instantly, how you guys can do that? So it was very easy. For example, I have that Chinese text on image, so how I can translate it instantly. So there's work on Android, iPhone, and Samsung. The process was same. So I will simply go to Google Chrome in my mobile phone. Here you guys can simply open new tab. Once you open new tab, here you guys will see mic option. Also with mic option, you guys will see camera option. To simply click on that camera option. Once you click here, you guys will see gallery and open camera. So in open camera, you guys can scan the text in the or in any language. But I will use gallery image, for example, that was Chinese language. Once you do that, you guys will see translate. So simply click on translate. Once you click on translate, that text will be translated to English instantly. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.